Now we have a beautiful case, a case of autism, a pervasive developmental disorder. A girl of 7 years, for days together, she would sit in one corner. Her face showed no expressions. She would not emote to anything. She was not interested in the food. Her expressions would not change. Always remained aloof. Would not mix or play with anybody. She would also sit aloof, and she was in her own world. She had nothing to do with the worldly affairs. She had no interest in studies, but IQ was 80 plus, which was good. No reaction, even if somebody scolded, somebody explained, somebody persuaded, somebody shouted, no expressions. So it becomes a very important remedy where there are no expressions. She had a very severe constipation. She would not pass stool for 6 to 8 days. Stool were hard with lot of pain, lot of discomfort, or it would be a diarrhea if she was forced to eat. Perspiration offensive, staining the clothes. Sleep is disturbed, would get up number of times. She would just get up number of times. She would weep and talk during sleep. Understand these emotions. As a child, she could not talk. She was sitting in a corner, and here she weeps and talks during sleep. See the ventilation which is happening in magnesium. It was revealed that this child was adopted, and as the parents did not have any child after 10 years of marriage, the child was adopted from an orphanage. No details were disclosed or available with her parents about her background. Diagnosis is autism, a pervasive developmental disorder under DSM classification 4. Autistic disorder as follows: qualitative impairment in social interaction, impairment in facial expressions, failure to develop peer relationship, and a lack of spontaneity in sharing interests, lack of social or emotional reciprocity, qualitative impairment in communication, marked inability to initiate or sustain conversation with others, restricted repetitive stereotype pattern of behavior encompassing preoccupation with one stereotype or restricted pattern. Very, very important. So after understanding the case, what are the symptoms we pick up? Forsaken feeling, sensitive, oversensitive, deserted forsaken feeling, delusion, staining of linen, constipation stool hard, perspiration profuse, aversion everything to, reaction lack of, company aversion to, expression absent. Of course, you know the remedy. The remedy is Meccar, 201 dose. And the parents said that after the medicine, she slept very peacefully. A stool which was very hard became slightly softer, and she had stool twice this week, which was not very hard. 4 weeks, mother reported the child was more playful and could come to the table and would have the food with everybody. 10 weeks, the child started playing with other children, started laughing, crying, expressing her emotions. See the shift. What could not happen in 7 years happens in 10 weeks. Shift. 12 weeks, constipation and irritability came back. Magnesium carb 200, 3 doses were given. The few more doses were given, and the child was completely cured. It was a child opened out from the bud, blossoming into a fully grown flower. What do we learn? It's very important we summarize whatever we learn from this case so that we can apply to the next case. Okay? So, it is very, very important. What is the core of the person? See, understand the treatment was for autism, but our diagnosis is the right medicine. And see, in autistic child, how encouraging to get such results. High level of suppression and emotions with minimal expression. Potency has to be 200 or higher. A careful repetition and control of the dosage is absolutely must. Here, if you overdose, you will suppress the feeling.